Okay, Lucio, so can you tell me what a typical week looks like for you? How many contact hours do you have, and things like that?
Cool. So yeah, compared to a lot of other subjects, especially the science ones, I'd say like my contact hours are quite a bit lower. So I tend to have maybe around 7 or 8 kind of lectures per week. So 1 or 2 per week, usually in the morning. So that means you have to do a lot more independent reading. There's a lot more kind of self-study, which is great because the libraries here are amazing and there's always, the right book available. Then we also have labs sometimes. So for geography, we tend to also do around 1 or 2 courseworks per term. So we tend to have around 5 lab sessions, and they consist in usually going through a special kind of work project which is given beforehand, and then we go through that with the instructor in the lab. So that's also a really useful way of kind of getting to grips with our coursework, which I then have to do in my spare time. So yeah, I would say that geography, compared to a lot of other subjects, is much less on the contact hour side and much more self-study and independent working.
Okay, so you mentioned, of course, that you have less contact hours in geography.
Yeah.
That, of course, doesn't mean that you have less work in geography, does it?
No, I mean that's a saying, isn't it, almost? But no, I mean, I think I would say that I do still have quite a lot of work. It's just obviously less kind of in the lectures, less 9 to 5 hours, and much more kind of reading articles, because for the essays they do give you very long reading lists which you take time to get through. So I'd say much more kind of self-study and kind of independent reading.
Okay.